This is Oscar.
Mi chiamo Oscar.
60 days ago, zero Italian. Now, watch this.
So che è passato mezzogiorno, ma sono inglese e prendo un cappuccino per favore.
No, il cappuccino no,
Sì,
non puoi
sì.
fare. So the big question is, what's really possible in just 2 months?
Apparently quite a lot.
Let's find out.
Oh, hi, Maestro.
No, it's the Amazon delivery. I mean, no.
Please come in. Hi, I'm Oscar. I'm an actor, and I'm going to try and learn Italian. Absolutely not. Easy peasy.
Why Italian?
Basically, I'm an actor, and I had an audition recently that was partly in Italian. Normally, they give you, maximum a week, 2 weeks maximum for an audition if you're very lucky.
Okay.
And I don't want to be caught off guard again. I really want to learn Italian. I've always wanted to learn the language, and I think this is a good opportunity to be prepared.
So I have to be honest with you, 2 weeks isn't enough. I mean, to build anything, to learn anything, okay? Let alone performing on a stage, you know, the character, the acting. You don't need the tutor, you need the miracle.
Okay. Oh, well, also I should say that my play is coming to an end in a few weeks, and I'll be leaving Reading and going back up north. So we might have to do this online if that's possible.
Why not looking for a tutor near you then? It's easier.
Someone I worked with recommended you. They said if I was serious, I should speak to Il Maestro.
Okay.
You worked with.
I'm gonna be
Okay, so you are the man.
Okay, let's do this. I need 60 days and your soul. No, let me tell you, because it's, the moment I see that you are not committed, I quit.
I'm in.
Oh, come on, don't be English.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, lunga, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Finestra, you finestra. Love finestra. Love finestra. Finestra. My brain is fried. I didn't realise how much brain power learning a language takes.
Day one was a shock to the system.
Couldn't even say the alphabet. felt like being a kid again. Couldn't even say the window.
La finestra, il finestra.
Finestra.
To get him ready, we built this training around 3 rules. First one, daily practice. No skipping, no excuses, a little bit of Italian even on tough days.
Do you remember when I told you I was going on holiday for 10 days?
Oscar, non farmi incazzare. Don't make me angry again.
Vacanza, did I give him my permission? Non ti preoccupare. Athletes train on holiday, so do Italian learners.
That's right.
So, as homework this week, Maestro has sent me a task to label all the equipment in my kitchen in Italian, and these are the results. La forchetta, il coltello, il cucchiaio, il cucchiaino, il tagliere, la padella, il fornello, il forno, la spatula, il bollitore, il tostapane. And that's everything I've got so far. And also, my favourite dishwasher. La lavastoviglie. Also, this is the most important cupboard in the house. La credenza per I bicchieri per il vino. Mwah. My favourite word so far in Italian is actually just ciao. Stefano was telling me it comes from the word slave, and it technically means I am your slave. I've learned so much from him so far about etymology, and that makes Italian learning fun. Hence why I'm looking through a Italian dictionary. I never look through the dictionary, not in English, but he makes it interesting, exciting. Changed my mind. I hate Italian dictionaries. Can't remember a thing. It is one of the most beautiful songs of all time, even if I can't understand it all.
Second rule, total immersion. Labeling the house, online quizzes, the TV, radio, everything spoke Italian. Even the mirror.
God, I remember everything in my house was labelled. Everything. I could not see Italian, you know?
Grazie Tore. Nel mezzo del cammin di nostra vita mi trovai per una selva oscura che la dritta via era smarrita.
Trentatré, Trentini, Entrono a Trento. Trentro, Entratrini, Trentatré, Trentini, Trentini, a Trento, a Trento.
Dritta, 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 dritta.
Third rule we use is craft. Acting exercises to rewire his mouth, his rhythm, and the way he breathed when he spoke Italian. Everything was in Italian.
Yeah, they felt mad, the acting exercises. The pencil in the mouth and the tongue twisters, which are hard enough in English. After a while, the sounds sort of started to stick, my cadence changed and stuff, and I do remember the stuff in the house, especially coming into the house and looking around and things were popping up to me in Italian. I wasn't really thinking in English straight away, which was a click.
Vanished.
I have an audition coming up. So I've just finished the Passato Prossimo lesson with Il Maestro, and I've had to go straight out for a walk, clear my head, my brain, because my brain is fried. So just finished a lesson with Il Maestro on pronomi partitivi, and it was hard. It was one word, ne, N-E, N-E-E, and a word that we don't have in English. The thing we don't have is like only used with quantity, and my head is really hard to get my head around. It seems easy, seems facile, but when you're talking about a quantity of something, it's ne instead of a direct pronoun. So I've got to do some work to try and get my head around this. Note to future self: if you're excited about something in Italian, use non vedo l'ora, not sono eccitato. I assumed eccitato meant excited. Sono eccitato. I am excited about seeing you, to do this lesson. So I said it to Il Maestro. And it does mean excited. It means excited in a way I did not mean or intend or feel towards Stefano. Yes, non vedo l'ora. Definitely not sono eccitato.
At 30 days, the wall hit. Grammar got harder, endless corrections. The audition was getting closer, and you were tired here. I feel like you realized that it wasn't a joke anymore, and the things you didn't know were way more the things you knew. This is where most learners quit.
I think this was the point where I was getting close to giving up. Actually, you won't know this, but I actually sent Il Maestro a message, a WhatsApp at 1 a.m, 2 a.m, saying I wanted to quit, and I deleted it pretty instantly, and you never saw it.
I don't know, that was when I asked you, Oscar, what was it, like a message deleted?
I said nothing,
nothing.
But this is a message for all the Italian learners out there. Mistakes aren't failure.
Language comes with ups and downs. That's normal, actually. If it feels too easy, that's probably not a good sign.
Ora tu pensa. Keys of the piano. Okay, this is my preparation for the script. Tutta quella città non se ne vedeva la fine. Per cortesia, si potrebbe vedere la fine. E il rumore. My hands are still shaking because that was hard, challenging, but so rewarding. It's probably full of imperfections and mispronunciations, but I got a letter from Il Maestro in the post before I did it, and he said that I will look back at this video in years to come, and it will break my heart in a good way, because I will see that I was brave enough to perform, act in another language to show my imperfections. No one who has ever learned a language truly has ever been afraid to be wrong.
This was just practice. We can't disclose what Oscar was working on it, but just in case you want to know, Italian was a minimal part.
Just it was a small bit of it,
Yeah, just a few words and sentences. But I think it was good. It was a good training for the audition anyway. I mean, performing in another language is one of the hardest things an actor can face.
Yeah. I mean, performing in Italian was the hardest bit of acting I've ever done, and I didn't even do it in front of people.
But also there were bits of grammar, Novecento by Baricco, there were bits of grammar we hadn't covered yet. So I think it was quite difficult, sitting down, translating and talking about it.
But once I'd done it, it was one of the most refreshing feelings I've ever had in acting, where I performed in another language. I never thought I'd do that.
Give this guy an Oscar.
Il gatto. I'm excited. It's sinking in quicker. I like how you can put me or T, whatever, the pronoun, at the start of the sentence, or you can put it at the end of the verb if it's a verb and then infinitive. So, scusami. I love that. That's cool. Yeah, we're making progress, man. It's getting in my head quicker. Pronouns open up a whole new world.
You can actually hear it here. I mean, something is different.
Yeah, I think that was the turning point. I wasn't really thinking in English anymore, not straight away. It just sort of started to flow.
I mean, I remember watching this and thinking, okay, he might pull this off.
Really?
Yeah.
I think that's when I thought, abbiamo finito. I can't believe it.
Not quite yet. So 60 days gone. Yeah, well done, bravo. Okay.
Grazie.
I just need another couple of hours. I have a little surprise for you.
No, I don't like your surprises. No.
No. Yeah, you like my surprises.
No.
Oh, come on, let's go. Che ti mangi?
Per favore, prendo i gnocchi. Perché sono un gnocco.
Poi vuoi il dolce dopo? Allora dopo, ok. Sì,
Ho ancora fame.
bravo. Allora adesso tu prendi la GoPro, io non vengo, vai giù e ordini quello che vuoi.
Ah, grazie.
Eh,
Cosa vuole?
eh,
Niente? Vado a ordinare. Ciao. Vogliamo i dolci, per favore. Per me prendo un tiramisù.
Tiramisù?
Sì. E per il maestro Stefano una fetta di torta al limone. Torta di limone.
torta di limone e tiramisù.
Ho dimenticato to say the writing.
Segna.
Segna.
Finally day 16, no script, no coaching, just Oscar.
Una grande sorpresa. Una grande sorpresa.
In an Italian cafe, speaking Italian. I didn't ask this without recording it because I wanted my reaction to be genuine. Okay, I didn't want this to be staged. What about the audition?
Oh, I did it.
Okay. So you got the part.
Oh no, I didn't get the
fantastic.
part. That's why I didn't tell you. No, I didn't get that part. I might have got something else might have popped up in the future. I can't really say much, but that wouldn't have happened without this journey. I think it's changed me as a human. It's motivated me to achieve things I didn't think I could achieve, and thank you for guiding me through it. Honestly.
There is one last step. I mean, when you be famous, no, don't forget il maestro.
Oh, okay.
I've got something for you. Yeah, I didn't close it. I didn't actually
that's
seal it. Yeah. But this is for you.
Grazie.
Okay.
Vinto.
So this is my gift for you. It's a place in my 9-week Italian group classes.
Oh, thank you.
Obviously, suitable to your level.
Yeah.
Whenever you are ready. The journey will continue. Grazie.
Thank you, mate.
Yeah, I mean, this isn't the end. Hopefully, it's just a beginning. If you still want to continue this journey,
Of course I do.
you are very welcome.
Thank you, honestly, it means a lot.
I'm not gonna hug you again. We did it a few days ago, but. So,
Grazie mille,
but
il
no,
maestro. Grazie.
No, but I just want to clarify this on camera. One final thing. Oscar didn't become perfectly fluent in Italian in 60 days.
No way.
But I think he gained something far more important. The ability to use Italian in every circumstance. When the word is missing, when that sentence doesn't come along, and the confidence to keep going. So if you want to use some of the techniques Oscar and I get to this, watch this video next and download the free PDF. And remember, stick to Italian.
Italian will stick to you.